I'm Health Hack Harry, and I'm no hack when it comes to health. In today's video, I'll be covering 12 life-changing strategies to use in 2024. If you enjoy content like this, remember to like and subscribe for more. Part 1 of embarking on a personal development journey is not merely a choice, but a necessity for those aspiring to thrive in the evolving world. The foundation of staying ahead lies in continuous learning, a commitment to staying abreast of industry trends and embracing a growth mindset. Technological literacy is pivotal, demanding a proactive approach to acquiring digital skills that align with the accelerating pace of innovation. Networking transcends conventional boundaries, emphasizing the significance of cultivating meaningful connections, both in person and through digital platforms. This section delves into the strategies that redefine success in the realms of education, technology, and networking, empowering individuals to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that this transformative era presents. Join us in unlocking the potential for growth, adaptability, and success in Part 1 of this guide to life-changing self-development in 2024. Part 2 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 delves into the crucial domains of mindfulness, resilience, and goal setting. In an era characterized by rapid change and uncertainty, prioritizing mental and physical well-being is paramount. We explore mindfulness practices and holistic approaches to self-care, equipping individuals with the tools to thrive amidst adversity. Resilience emerges as a key trait, enabling individuals to bounce back and navigate challenges with grace and determination. Furthermore, effective goal setting becomes the compass that guides personal and professional growth, empowering individuals to chart a course towards their aspirations. Join us as we delve deeper into the realms of well-being, resilience, and goal setting, empowering you to embrace change and achieve your full potential in 2024 and beyond. In Part 3 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024, we explore the essential skills of time management, emotional intelligence, and financial literacy. Efficiently managing time becomes imperative in a world where distractions abound and demands are ever increasing. We provide practical strategies to optimize productivity and prioritize tasks effectively. Additionally, honing emotional intelligence emerges as a critical competency, empowering individuals to navigate complex interpersonal dynamics with empathy and understanding. Moreover, gaining a solid understanding of personal finance and investment is vital for securing financial stability and realizing long-term goals. We delve into the principles of financial literacy, offering insights into budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. Join us as we unlock the potential for growth and success through mastering the art of time management, emotional intelligence, and financial literacy in 2024 and beyond. Part 4 is mindfulness and well-being, which are cornerstones of personal development in 2024, offering essential tools for navigating the complexities of modern life. In an era marked by incessant digital noise and relentless pressure, prioritizing mental and physical well-being is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Mindfulness practices ranging from meditation to mindful eating provide invaluable techniques for cultivating presence, reducing stress, and enhancing overall resilience. Incorporating regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet further fortifies the foundation of well-being, fostering optimal physical health and vitality. Moreover, fostering a supportive community and nurturing meaningful relationships play pivotal roles in nurturing emotional well-being. By embracing mindfulness and adopting holistic approaches to self-care, individuals can cultivate inner peace. Part 5 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 delves into the critical skills of adaptability and resilience. In a world marked by rapid change and uncertainty, the ability to adapt quickly and bounce back from setbacks is indispensable. We explore strategies for embracing change, including fostering a growth mindset, cultivating flexibility, and embracing discomfort as an opportunity for growth. Moreover, resilience emerges as a key trait, allowing people to navigate challenges with grace and determination. We provide practical tips for building resilience, such as maintaining a positive outlook, seeking support from others, and learning from failures. By honing these skills, individuals can not only survive, but thrive amidst adversity, unlocking their full potential and seizing opportunities for growth and success in the dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. Part 6 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 explores the importance of goal setting and planning. Setting clear, achievable goals is essential for driving personal and professional growth in an ever-changing world. We delve into the art of effective goal setting, emphasizing the importance of specificity, measurability, and relevance. Additionally, breaking down goals into smaller, actionable steps enables individuals to maintain momentum and track progress effectively. Planning plays a pivotal role in translating goals into reality, providing a roadmap for success. We provide practical strategies for creating robust action plans, including time management techniques and resource allocation. By mastering the art of goal setting and planning, individuals can align their efforts with their aspirations, overcome obstacles, and achieve remarkable results in the dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. Join us as we unlock the power of intentionality and strategic thinking in pursuit of personal and professional excellence. Part 7 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 delves into the realm of effective communication. In an interconnected world where collaboration is key, honing communication skills is essential for success. We explore the art of both verbal and written communication, emphasizing clarity, conciseness, and persuasiveness. Active listening emerges as a crucial component, fostering understanding and empathy in interpersonal interactions. Moreover, we delve into the nuances of nonverbal communication, like body language or tone of voice, which can significantly impact the message conveyed. Practical tips and exercises are provided to enhance communication proficiency, enabling individuals to express ideas effectively and build strong relationships. Mastering the art of communication can forge connections, inspire others, and navigate the complexities of the modern world with confidence and clarity in 2024 and beyond. Join us as we unlock the power of communication to propel personal and professional success. Part 8 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 delves into the importance of embracing a global mindset. Understanding diverse cultures, perspectives, and global trends is essential for success. We explore the significance of global awareness in fostering innovation, collaboration, and cultural competence. Developing a global mindset involves embracing diversity, challenging biases, and seeking opportunities for cross-cultural learning and collaboration. Moreover, we provide practical strategies for expanding global awareness, including travel, language learning, and participation in international projects. By embracing a global mindset, individuals can navigate the complexities of the globalized world with confidence and adaptability. Join us as we unlock the power of global awareness to drive personal and professional growth in the dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. Part 9 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 explores the fundamental principles of financial literacy. In an era of economic volatility and financial uncertainty, understanding personal finance is paramount for achieving long-term stability and prosperity. We delve into the essentials of financial management, including budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. By mastering these foundational skills, people can take control of their futures and work towards their financial goals with confidence. Additionally, we examine the importance of staying informed about economic trends and market dynamics, empowering individuals to make informed decisions about their finances. Tips and strategies are provided to help people through the complexities of the financial landscape and build a solid foundation for financial well-being. Join us as we unlock the power of financial literacy to secure a brighter future in the dynamic world of 2024 and beyond. Part 10 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 delves into the transformative power of creativity and innovation. In an ever-evolving world, creativity and innovation are essential drivers of success and growth. We explore the importance of fostering a creative mindset, embracing curiosity, and challenging conventional thinking. By cultivating creativity, individuals can uncover new possibilities, solve problems, and drive meaningful change in their lives and communities. Moreover, we delve into the process of innovation, exploring techniques for generating and implementing groundbreaking ideas. Practical exercises and strategies are provided to inspire and empower people to unleash their full potential and harness the power of innovation. Join us as we embark on a journey of exploration, discovery, and innovation, unlocking new pathways to success and fulfillment in the dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. Part 11 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 explores the transformative potential of effective networking and relationship building. In an interconnected world, cultivating meaningful connections is essential for personal and professional success. We delve into the art of networking, providing strategies for building and nurturing professional relationships, both online and offline. From attending industry events to leveraging social media platforms, we offer practical tips for expanding your network and creating opportunities for growth and collaboration. Additionally, we explore the importance of relationship building in fostering trust, mutual support, and collaboration. By investing in authentic connections and nurturing relationships, individuals can unlock new opportunities, gain valuable insights, and accelerate their personal and professional growth in the dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. Join us as we harness the power of networking to thrive in an interconnected world. Part 12 of our guide to life-changing self-development in 2024 focuses on the importance of embracing a growth mindset. In an era characterized by rapid change and uncertainty, adopting a growth mindset is essential for personal and professional success. We delve into the mindset shift from fixed to growth-oriented thinking, emphasizing the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. By cultivating resilience, embracing challenges, and learning from failures, individuals can unlock their full potential and achieve remarkable results. Moreover, we provide practical strategies for fostering a growth mindset, including reframing setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, seeking feedback, and persisting in the face of obstacles. Join us as we harness the power to navigate the complexities of the modern world and achieve extraordinary success in 2024 and beyond. In conclusion, the journey of self-development in 2024 is a commitment to continuous growth, adaptability, and innovation. Embracing the strategies outlined in this guide, people can navigate the complex modern world with confidence and resilience. From cultivating mindfulness and well-being to honing communication skills and embracing a global mindset, each aspect of personal development offers transformative potential. By prioritizing personal growth, individuals can unlock their full potential, seize opportunities, and overcome challenges in the dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. Remember, personal development is a lifelong journey, and success is not measured by reaching a destination, but by the progress made along the way. So, embark on this journey with courage, determination, and in a commitment to become the best version of yourself. Here's to a future filled with growth, fulfillment, and limitless possibilities.